Welcome to our journey into the intriguing depths of biblical lore. Today we're delving into one of the most enigmatic tales from the book of Genesis, the Tower of Babel. Join us as we uncover the mysteries behind this ancient narrative, exploring its cultural significance, theological implications, and enduring relevance. From the heights of human ambition to the consequences of divine intervention, this story offers profound insights into the human condition and the complexities of faith. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through history as we seek to unravel the secrets of the Tower of Babel and unlock the wisdom it holds for us today. In the days when mankind spoke with one language and dwelt in unity, they came together to build a great tower that would reach the heavens. This tower, known as the Tower of Babel, was intended to symbolize their collective strength and ambition. As the tower rose higher and higher, its builders grew proud and arrogant, believing that they could ascend to the realm of God himself. But God, seeing their arrogance, decided to intervene. He descended from the heavens and confounded their language, causing confusion and discord among the people. Suddenly, those who had once worked together in harmony found themselves unable to communicate with one another. The once unified project descended into chaos as each group of builders spoke a different tongue, unable to understand the others. Faced with this linguistic barrier, the people could no longer coordinate their efforts, and the construction of the tower ground to a halt. The scattered tribes dispersed across the earth, each group forming its own community based on shared language and culture. The Tower of Babel became a symbol not of human achievement, but of the folly of pride and the consequences of defying the will of God. It serves as a cautionary tale, reminding believers of the importance of humility and obedience in the face of divine authority. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Tower of Babel. We hope you've gained valuable insights into this ancient tale and its relevance to our lives today. You enjoyed this video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. And be sure to leave a comment below, letting us know your thoughts on the Tower of Babel or any other biblical topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Until next time, may you continue to seek wisdom and understanding in the timeless stories of Scripture. Thanks for watching.